we're gonna move into RYOBI. It's pretty exciting times when it comes to power tools, to think of the things that they can do, and they can do cordlessly. It's pretty amazing. You can see they have their brushless drill kit, half-inch drill kit, coming with a couple 1.5 amp batteries. We got chargers there. This is HP, so this is their high performance, compact, as well as their impact. These are $89. Come in 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. A lot of value there. You can see they have some right angle drills. They have their impact wrench here, 3/8. They have a multi-port charger. They have their cutoff tool. They have a 2-pack of 2 amp hour batteries. Now these 4 tool offerings are at $89. The 2-pack of batteries is at $69. Here's the other one that I really like. I hate to say it, but they have it, $59.97. This is their 10-ounce caulking gun. You just have a diverse platform with a lot of tools from RYOBI. And this here, like, you don't necessarily see this on every tool platform. This makes caulking tasks, especially when you're doing like maybe now I like to have a powered caulking gun that uses quart tubes, but think about all that squeezing over time. Yeah, you're gonna get more muscular forearms and strong hands, but does it become a debilitating thing later on? I don't know. $59.97, you don't have to worry about that. You have a powered caulking gun. We have oscillating multi-tool, $59.97. We have a recip saw grinder, $59.97. You have their 3/8 drill driver kit, 1.5 amp battery. Now this is not brushless, $49.97. 3-gallon wet dry vac, $99. We have their shear for shrubbery at $149. They have their 18-gauge brad nailer. They have their 1/2-inch impact wrench. This is not brushless. This is their brushed model, $99. We have their 3/8 ratchet at $99. Here's the deal. I don't know that this is the HP model. I don't believe that it is. The advantage with HP, I don't know if this one does it or not. The advantage with HP, and I think this does as well, you can see from this collar. Some people have a gripe about the size of the footprint of that battery. This head swivels, so you can get into tighter spots than you would think. $99. They have their 7 1/4. This is their brushless circ saw. HP, $99. We have their hammer drill, 1/2-inch, $99. 4-speed impact driver. Now I gotta be honest with you. This thing, if this is like the old 3-speed or 4-speed that I had before, this thing's a monster actually. Let me take a look at the stats on this. So 4 modes, 2,200 inch-pounds, 4,000 impacts per minute, and 2,900 RPM. Things is pretty monstrous. $99 on their brushless recip saw. They have a router bit set, $39.97. I gotta be honest with you, I haven't used them, but this is like one of those instances, and they might be good, I don't know. I just seem to think like, yeah, maybe you do get like the RYOBI router, but I think sometimes you're better off. You'll have a better user experience if you just pair your RYOBI router with a more contractor or professional grade router bit. That's just my opinion. Okay, at $139, we have their compact brushless HP combo kit. Coming 1.5 amp battery, tool bag, and a charger, $139. And then they have this is their HP 2 amp hour battery. So you're getting more watts out of that 2 amp hour footprint, $89. They have their 1/2-inch drill driver kit at $59. This is coming with a 1.5 amp battery and a charger, $79. You're getting this is their, excuse me, drill and driver kit with 2 1.5 amp batteries and a charger. And then finally on this end cap, we're looking at a 2-tool combo. This is their price entry point. And I will tell you that you're getting, once again, those 1.5 amp batteries, $99. You're getting a bag, you're getting a charger. Here's the thing. There's the difference this year compared to other years. Maybe not last year, but years before. The new 1.5 amp batteries from RYOBI now have they now have a gauge here, so you're not flying blind. You can actually see how much charge is in there. They're doing a lot to improve perception. So they're doing a 6-pack of 1.5 amp batteries here, and a rapid charge and a Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to call it a dual port charger. I don't know if it's necessarily rapid. At $1.69, they're throwing a lot of value at you. You have their HP batteries, a 2-pack of 6 amp hours at $139. You have their 4 amp hour. They're not HPs, but they are $79. You have their $69. This is their 2 amp hour starter kit. It's coming 2 amp hour battery and a charger. They have their high pressure inflator at $24.97. They have their compact glue gun. I really like this a lot. If you already have the, because these are tool only, right? But if you already have the battery, this thing is pretty dang awesome. I like it. Now, remember, you can't be away from the base for too long. You need to put it back down because it heats in this base where your battery will be connected. Okay, if you can't do too much continuous work. You could do a whole bunch, but my point is that just be mindful. The battery doesn't go on the tool itself. It goes on this base. This tool sits in the base, and then it heats up this glue gun, your hot glue, while it sits in that base. Be mindful of that. You might find a better solution with their hot glue gun that actually has the battery. I have both models. I like them both. They have their flexible LED clamp light at $39.97. They have their 18-volt 1+ LED clamp light. And then they have their One Plus Verse clamp speaker. This thing, I did a whole video on it. I don't want to run out of all the cards, but I'm going to see what I'm going to put in there. Things like the Hive Mind, the Verse speakers. It connects to one main speaker, and then you could have tunes like throughout a whole giant area. It's pretty good stuff. It's a solution, and you know me, I like solutions. You can see they also have some other. This is their tools that are powered by their personal. I don't know what the heck it's called. It's their USB battery platform. You can see there's a whole bunch of options here, including a glue pen. I like that. So this is their USB battery. They're rechargeable batteries. They're 3 amp hours. You can see they do use Type-C charging. They're pretty daggone cool. You can see they have some bits. This is probably their more price point conscious sets. They have a couple of kits here for drilling and driving. They have a titanium drill bit set, 22-piece bit set. They're offering, I can't tell, I would say they are, I cannot actually tell if they're made for impact. How you doing? Does it say impact rated? Am I seeing it? I'm not seeing it. How you doing? Your choice, $14.97. They do have an impact rated bit set, 40 pieces. It's coming with the magnetic sleeve. It's coming with an adapter. So of course, during the holidays, Home Depot and the big boxes are famous for their BOGO deals, right? If you buy this kit, you might get something for free. So we're going to show you what that something's may be. So if you, for $99, buy their starter kit, 2 4 amp hour batteries and a charger, okay, for $99, these are your qualifying tools. Okay, so you're getting your choice of a grinder, one-handed recip saw, oscillating multi-tool. You got a little pruning chainsaw. Yo, that pruning chainsaw, I've talked about that at length. That pruning chainsaw is like pretty cool because I don't believe it requires, they've optimized blade speed, chain speed, so that you don't need oil. I think that's the one. I'm not certain. I'd have to check. You have their brushless jet fan blower, their jigsaw, circ saw, 6.5. We got the orbital sander, their trim router. You have their hybrid work light or their deflator. You're going to get one of those for free. Now, if you step it up, okay, and get their combo kit, this is their HP brushless combo kit, impact driver, drill driver at $1.99. That kit's coming I believe it's two 2 amp hour batteries, charger in a bag. You're going to get 2 free tools. I'm going to be honest with you. If you're going to go with the combo kit, I think that homeowner DIYer would really be served well with that combo kit. The 2 free bare tools I would suggest for a homeowner DIYer looking to tackle the most possible tasks out of getting this kit would be to get that 6.5 circ saw and get that brushless multi-tool. I think they would be very happy with that, and they're going to be able to tackle a whole bunch. Now they have super savings as well. You can see here they have a 6-tool combo at $1.99, and then they have their 4-tool combo at $1.59. They're not coming with any additional tools, but they're there. If you maybe wanted to get the starter kits, and then maybe get some, higher amp hour batteries, 4 amp hours, charger at 99 bucks, and then you would get another free tool. There's a lot of things you could do with the RYOBIs. A lot of things you can do. And they have a nice amount of inventory as well.